Hey you guys, hope you're doing great. So today I'll be doing a review and demo on this newly launched Nykaa Matte Last Mini Liquid Lipstick, and the liquid lipstick has been there in the market since quite some time now, but the mini version has just recently launched, and this retails for 239 rupees, and you get 1.2 ml of product, and it has a shelf life of 3 years. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. It has a logo on top and the shade mentioned on the bottom, and this is in the shade Metli, by the way, and this is what the hand swatch of Metli looks like, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips right now as well. So before I start the review, I have no hatred against Nykaa because most of the skincare and makeup products that I buy are 95% from Nykaa. So I really like it as a shopping website but not as a cosmetic brand. I've never really been attracted to their own makeup line products, so that is something I wanted to say, but no hatred, it's just that I'm being honest towards what I feel about this product. So let's get started. So first of all, the packaging is really sturdy. It's so tiny, as you can see, like my hands are really small to begin with, and it's even tinier than that, and but the quality of the packaging is very good. It's very sturdy. Even if you throw it, it won't break. So the packaging is really good. And also, first of all, I would like to tell you that I at times carry a purse just so that I can keep my lipsticks inside, because I'm someone who never likes to see my lipstick being faded away, because when I eat, when I talk a lot, and when I keep touching my lips or something like that, I see that my lipsticks are fading. So such sizes are so handy. I mean, I can just keep it inside my jeans pocket or any pocket and I'm just good to go. Even if it will fit inside even the tiniest bag that you own. So that is something very cool about this product. But yeah, coming to the price point, I feel the price point is really high. I think that they could have kept the price range somewhere between 150 to 200 bucks. 240 or 239 to be precise is a very high price, I believe. And also, coming to the application is not something very great. So the application went on very sheer for the first time, because I had applied a very thin layer of it, and I think with any liquid lipstick that I've tried, even if I go thin or thick, the pigmentation level is the same. But with this one, I saw that the pigmentation was very sheer and it was very watery. So that is something you need to keep in mind. If you want really opaque coverage from this liquid lipstick, you have to make sure that you go a little thick with the application so that your lip pigmentation is hidden. So when I had applied this with a very light hand, I saw that my lip pigmentation was peeking through. It was not a good sight, so I was really disappointed with that. And also, it takes it takes a longer time to dry down compared to the most of the liquid lipsticks that I've tried till now. So if you apply a lip balm underneath, it will take more than 5 minutes to dry down completely to a matte finish. And coming to the how it feels on my lips, it feels really lightweight. I didn't really feel that I'm having anything on my lips right now. Like, even if I'm talking right now, I don't feel there's anything on my lips. But when I look in the mirror, when I look really closely, I see that there is a lot of fine lines, there is a lot of wrinkliness, and a lot of patchiness, not patchiness, but a lot of fine lines and crackiness of my lips are being shown through. So that is something which this liquid lipstick really emphasizes on. So no matter how well I prep my lips, there will be some fine lines that will show through the liquid lipstick. So that is, again, I didn't really like about this liquid lipstick. And secondly, the longevity. I think that longevity is just like any other liquid lipstick. If you eat something oily, it will come off from the inner circle of your lips, giving that butthole effect, and the rest of the color will be intact. And also, the good thing about this liquid lipstick is, which might not be a good thing for a lot of you, is that it leaves a stain behind. I mean, with this particular shade Metli, I could see that it left a very nice berry tone dark pink color tint behind. So that was something I was really happy about, because I know that even if I'm eating, blabbering, there is some color on my lips that will stay and it won't look really dead. So that is something I really liked. But also when it comes to a removal process, it comes off easily with oil based or micellar water, but still the tint won't go. So you have to make sure that you apply a really thick layer of borolene or something overnight, and then in the morning you will see that it has come off properly, but the tint will be there for a few hours. It won't really go off easily. So yeah, this was my mini review for the mini product. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until my next video, bye.